Yesterday was really all about what we have been doing in cancer drug development, what we might need to be doing differently, description of successes and pitfalls and opportunities and challenges. And, you know, I think the hope for today is to sort of shift gears to, you know, how can we do it better, and what specifically do we need to do to improve the efficiency, the precision, and the speed of drug development while, you know, ensuring that we maintain scientific rigor and that we have appropriate guardrails in place to protect the patients who participate in our cancer drug trials. So to get us started, it's particularly auspicious timing to have Liz Jaffe here representing the Moonshot Blue Ribbon panel. She was the co-chair of that, as you all know. We're so pleased that the Congress passed the Cures Bill last week that included the provisions and the funding to launch the Moonshot and the Blue Ribbon panel recommendations. The president is going to be signing the bill into law today at the White House. Liz and others here, I think, will be in attendance. So it'll be an exciting time for our community. I think the challenge to so many of us who have worked so hard, you know, to try to see this legislation through will now be to help guide its implementation, and so that you know, the programs that are intended to be put in place are actually put in place, that the funds are used wisely, that the best science and the best opportunities are moving forward as quickly and effectively as possible. And you know, to pick up on a theme that we developed yesterday, with introducing as little waste into the process as possible, so that the funds actually end up having the greatest impact. So with that, I want to just invite Liz to come up. And as you know, she's the Deputy Director of the Kimmel Cancer Center at Johns Hopkins, the co-chair of the Cancer Moonshot Panel, a member of the National Cancer Advisory Board. And she'll talk a little bit about the Blue Ribbon Panel recommendations, and particularly give us some reflections on how they relate to the topic of this workshop, which is you know, improving the drug development process. So Liz, thanks so much for being here.